Hello everyone, this is Ruhin here from Tech Unleashed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your PowerPoint presentation with the help of artificial intelligence within 5 minutes. Okay, here you go. First of all, you have to search on the search box gamma.app. Then just simply you have to create your account here. And after creating your account, the interface will be the same. Then you have to just click the create new, and then you have to just type generate. After that, these three options will be available on your screen. You have to select presentation. You can also create document and web page here. So we are giving here flowers of Bangladesh. You can type your own topic here. After that, click enter. Then it will generate a outline or headings for your presentation, and it will cost only 40 credit. And here you can see that you will get 400 credit here. I have already created a PowerPoint presentation. That's why it's got 40. Now the balance is 360 credits. So after, you can also edit from here, and if you want to eliminate something or remove something, you can just simply delete here, or you can also add here. It will be added on your slides. Then just click on continue. After that, the interface will be same like here, and here you will see some templates and fonts, just like I am choosing this, or anything you can choose from here. I am just choosing it, and after choosing the theme, you just click continue, and after that this will start generating that topic. See, boom, the magic is happened. Okay, the magic is happened, and it's generating. Just see the time. It will not take more than 5 minutes, I think, to make your slides getting ready. It will generate almost 8 slides. The more thing, you can also navigate from your left side navigate pen. You can also style your cards. Okay, the background layout, the top layout, the bottom layout. See that it's changing. You can also change color from here. So after all things, you just click here, share, and then export, to a PowerPoint. It will take some times, nearly 1 to 2 minutes. Here you go. Just save here. The download has started. Okay, and we're getting our slides ready. After opening the PPT on your slide, you can also edit here from all the things. You just have to delete these watermarks from every slide. pressing the backspace. Okay, and your slide is ready. If you like the video, then please comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.